Perdomo's lecture was excellent. He covered many advanced topics in a logical and entertaining way. He covered concepts, clinical procedures and tips. It's highly recommended.
He has so many good points and good tips and very well organized being put together. And if he ever comes to Sydney again, I'll have no hesitation in attending any of his future courses.
Andre is really great. His case finishing, all the tips, which if I didn't come, I wouldn't know so much. I definitely recommend any dentist or with different degree of experience, they should all attend these courses. They wouldn't know what they missed if they didn't come.
I've just spent the weekend listening to Dr. Andres Perdomo. I find that today's and this weekend's presentation has certainly been a highlight of my education in the last few years. I encourage general practitioners out there that are doing orthodontics to continue their search for knowledge through listening to eminent speakers such as Dr. Perdomo, and to make sure that the results that we give our patients are excellent.